Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Cobalt Instruments report for the current year sales of 6 million, variable cost of 3.6, fixed operating cost of 1.4, interest expense of 400,000, income tax of 24%. What's the degree of total leverage at the sales level? So we're looking to compute DTL. Okay. So basically, what's the formula for that? There's many ways to do it. We can do it through degree of operating leverage multiplied by the degree of financial leverage. That's one way. So one way to compute this is we'll take DOL times DFL. That's one way to do it. Or to compute this, we can take the contribution margin. It seems we have information for the contribution margin divided by earnings before taxes. I can easily find the contribution margin. Sales is 6 million. Variable cost is 3.6. So 6 million minus 3.6 million. That's going to give us 2.4 million in CM contribution margin. So that's 2.4 million. Now we need to figure out earnings before taxes. Well, if we have a contribution margin of 2.4, well, we need to, so we're done with sales, we're done with variable costs. We need to subtract operating cost of 1.4. That's going to give us 1 million. And we're going to deduct from the 1 million interest cost of 400,000, 400K. That is 600,000. That's net income of 600,000. Net income before taxes. We did not compute the taxes yet. Then we take the taxes of 25%, or we keep 75%. I'm going to multiply this by 0.75. It means we have to pay taxes of 25%. What's left is 75. And what's left, net income, is 450K. So net income is 450K. But we don't need net income. What we need is earnings before taxes, and earnings before taxes is 600,000. Now, if we take 2.4 million divided by 600,000, remember we don't use the taxes because the taxes go up and down proportionally with profit. So that's why we use EBT, not net income. 2.4 million divided by, this is million, divided by 600K, 600,000 of EBT, and that's going to give us 4. D2L of 4, which is C. But let's just, to make sure, if you have time on the exam, always confirm, see if you could also compute this using DOL times DFL. What's DOL? DOL is contribution margin, DOL contribution margin, divided by what? Divided by earnings before interest and taxes, divided by EBIT. Contribution margin 2.4 million divided by 1 million. So DOL equal to 2.4. So that's one figure we need, DOL. Let's compute DFL. DFL is what? DFL is EBIT, which is 1 million, divided by net income, which is 600. Net income is how much? No, not net income, divided by EBIT, EBT, that's the formula. So we're looking at EBIT, which is 1 million divided by 600,000, and that's going to give us 1.67. That's the DFL. So if we take 1.67 times 2.4, and that's going to give us 4, which is what we got in the first place. The degree of total leverage is 4. Now, what should you do? Whether you are a CMA, CPA exam candidate, on Farhat Lectures, you can ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you to practice. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Invest in your career. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam. AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder. CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.